In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. So let's say you have a table with your data and you want to turn it into a pie chart. Here's how to do it. First, select the cells or the data that you want to turn into a pie chart. Go to the menu bar and click on Insert. Let's go to Chart right here. And it's automatically made you a pie chart. Now usually it doesn't do that, but it's one of the suggested type of charts that it will make for your data. So right here you have the suggested ones, the column, the bar, and the combo. But we're going to stick to the pie chart because that's what we're doing today. So you have your data range here. It's from B3 to C7. And the label, which is from B3 to B7. And the value is from C3 to C7. So that's your pie chart information right there. For the chart itself, you can click on it and drag it anywhere you want to place it where you like it. We're just going to put it right here so we can see the chart editor on the right side. So you can customize your chart, chart style, pie chart, pie slice, chart axis titles, and legends. Let's do a quick change right here. We can change the background color. Let's say a lighter gray maybe. There we go. The font for all the text inside. Let's choose Y to make it bigger. Okay. And we can also make it 3D. That's nicer. Let's go to the pie chart itself. You can make a donut hole in the middle. Let's try that. 25%. And there you go. Next one for the pie slices. Now let's say you want to change the color of each slice. You can do that by either choose the pie slice, change the color, let's say purple, and there you go. You can do it for every slice, but we're just going to change one. And for the next one, we have the chart axis and titles. Now for the title, it says amount. We're going to place the same thing here. And there you go. We've renamed the title of the chart. Again, we can change the font of each text individually, make it bigger, and even make it bold and italic. And there you go. Last one is for the legend. Now this is for the position of these labels or the legends itself. You can put them at the bottom, at the left, or you can stick it back to being labeled. And that's it. We've customized our chart, and that's how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.